Hello everyone, I have a quick share today to show you this reference folio I made of the Your Creative Studio box contents that I have collected over, I believe, like the last maybe 8 months. It starts July 2021. So I just have made out of cardstock and lightweight chipboard. I've made a little folio here, and I've done an easy twine binding with some elastic cording there. So nothing's permanent because, I've recently made it, so you can kind of hear it creaking a bit. There is a little bit of cracking there, but anyway. So I just used a scrapbook paper that I had, and then this is the reference, and if you're interested in seeing a quick flip through of what I've received from Your Creative Studio from July 2021 to February 2022, this is it, and I'll just flip through and hopefully make very little commentary. So the earlier ones, I'll just say, have a slightly less detail because I didn't track it as I received it. So I used the things, so I don't remember exactly how many vellum sheets there were, but they were 6x6, and this is just a sample of it. And so for a lot of things like the stickers here, this is just a sample. There's a lot more variety, but it's just to give me an idea of what came in each box so that I can collect it together instead of in each month, and I'll use it better that way. That's how I use it. So there's just one sheet of the July one, and then, oh no, this is 2 sheets. This is also July here. These are the stamps, the washi, sticker sheet, post-it. Here's August, and there were 2 rubber cling stamps there, some stickers. This is another sticker sheet, notepad, these paper sheets. And this is the rest of August here. We have a decorative tape, some handmade paper. There were a lot of these book page type papers, these postage stamp stickers, this ephemera here, and then some tags. And these I actually just tacked in there. For September, we had an ephemera pack that had a variety with stickers, paper, tags. Here's one of the tags. This was a rubber stamp. Here's some vellum stickers, label stickers, these cool envelopes, which I have attached down, and I have it open there and then open behind as well. Just my journaling guess getting in there. And then this is the rest of September here. There were this cool envelopes with this paper in, and it had the seal. There's the washi, some more stamps. There were, I think, 4 in total. Sticker sheet. These were full page 6x6 sticker sheets, and then collage paper. October here was fairy themed for my box, and I have washi, more vellum stickers, these little paper sheets. This is just a sample of the papers. There were 6 different designs, I believe, or 5 sheets, I guess, so maybe 5 different designs and 6x6 papers. The rest of October here with the 2 wood-mounted block stamps and then a rubber cling stamp. I got this ephemera here. I think some people had different ones, and then there were several different sheets of this sticker paper. For November, it was kind of a woodland theme, I would say. We had some rubber stamps. I got 4 little deer, this guy, sticky notepad, more of the postage sticker stamps, but I love these. I don't mind getting them a few times. There were these 4 different designs, a huge block of this paper pad. I don't know if I'm ever going to get through it. And then this ephemera here with many different designs. I loved the vellum sheets. There were a few 6x6, and they were a variety. This is just one sample. Washi tape, a whole sheet of this lovely sticker. Maybe I'll have to come closer for that. And again, there were 6 sheets of a variety of these kind of washi vellum stickers. I just have 1 sticker to sample. Another rubber stamp there, and then these tags, which I still have many of these left to use. December was some other box repurposed, so some people may be getting it a different month, but for me it was the butterfly one, and lots of butterfly ephemera tags here, acetate, or these were stickers, but they have a acetate backer, so you could use them as acetate ephemera. More of the postage stamp stickers in different designs, love those. They were this tiny butterfly. I actually had 2, but I think we were supposed to get only 1 of those, and then what is this? This was the sticker sheet that she designed. there, and that's just a sample of that. Label stickers, some more handmade paper, more butterfly stickers, and then these 2 large rubber stamps, and this is a sampling of the paper. For January, again, I think January and February are odd ones. It was a different box, so maybe the March box that was repurposed for January, I'm not sure. But this is what I got in January. Sticker sheet there, these stickers here. This is some vellum ephemera where there was quite a variety there. And then the collage paper, these cool stickers, label stickers, and then this is some more vellum ephemera booklet. And there were sheets of paper and the washi, so these are all kind of very well themed to the box. They're kind of a wildflower theme. This flipped out. These journal cards are like tag weight, real thick, and I loved the stamps that came in the box. There were 5, it says 5 stamps, so 4 of the flowers and then the larger one here. And finally, February was another one that was repurposed. I had the, it says wood, yeah, these were wood block stamps. So I didn't actually stamp them here. The sticker is very similar to how it stamps out, so I just included the sticker there. You can see that. And then there was washi roll that looks like postage stamps. Some paper ephemera that had some vellum stickers in it also. And then these tissue sheets, real lightweight, like tissue paper, but a little, you know, strong enough to be used. And then the post-it pad, a sticker sheet of this eucalyptus looking, and then the sticker sheet that's themed. And finally, there were some paper ephemera here, more postage stamp looking stickers. And then these like tag weight paper ephemera. I just put a couple of the smaller ones. There were some larger ones too. And then there were these cling stamps as well. And these were all in a separate set. And all of those ones. So I'll get a little closer for you to see that. So that's a quick look of the last several months, and then you can see my little folio that I made. So thanks for watching, and I hope this is helpful to you to have a sampling. And then also I am going to be coming out with a journal very soon here that uses just mostly all Your Creative Studio, all these different supplies that I just showed you. So this will be a good reference if you want to know where those things came from. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye!